What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We're at the flea market. Of course, we're setting up. As you guys can see, we have our truck. We're set up a bit. We got Christmas stuff. As you guys know, we have a lot of Christmas stuff to sell. Testing out. It is pretty good at this flea market. We figured out our best sale, or sale, the best we've done so far has been here. We'll see how good we do. Also, hopefully we get some good picks, of course. That's what I'm here for. But all right, y'all, we're done setting up now. It's time to walk around. It's like 6:30 or something, so let's see what we can get. It's pretty early to be walking around. I don't know how much we'll find. We'll see. I usually don't really get too much luck for some reason really early. A lot of people say they do. It's pretty dark. I have my phone light, I guess, but I can see pretty well. Dang, where's this? A little samurai sword. It's like a little dagger. Alright, let's see what we can get, y'all. It's a little bit later. We were selling a little bit for my dad. I didn't really show too much of that, but we made a couple of sales for my dad. Not too much, but yeah, that's starting to add up. I guess we've sold a couple thousand so far, the Christmas unit. We're getting there. My dad said he's about $10,000 deep inside of the Christmas unit, and we profited about, not profited, but like he's put about 10,000 into it. He's made about 3,000 so far. We're making our money back. It's still pretty early. It's looking pretty good so far. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, man?
I'm here.
How you doing?
Haven't seen me for a long time.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Nah,
we haven't been here.
I really come on Thursday now.
Oh really? I thought Thursdays are pretty good.
Yeah, but I could do good on Monday and Wednesday. Too,
yeah, that's true. My dad likes.
Thursday is too many vendors.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
All the vendors are full.
Yeah. That's
kind of good for me, I guess. Like a good variety of picking.
Yeah.
Mondays my dad likes here too. Though my dad likes
Mondays is cool
so.
too. But then I'm everywhere now.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep walking around. Hopefully you do good.
$5, guys. Anything on the table? $5.
Honestly, I bet you could really profit on stuff, but most of the items on that table, they probably don't sell for more than like 15, if 15, you know. It's already open. It's already open. Perfect. Let's see. I wanted to see like what the car looked like. That'd be cool to see what it looked like. I already know they're fake, so it doesn't really matter. You seem like you knew they're fake. Unfortunate. Oh my, holy crap, that looks sick. What the heck? How much is this?
Give me $10.
It's like a bit dirty, but still. Like, this is sick. I'll give you $10 for that.
You got it.
I'll take it. Should go $9. That's all I have.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This
thing is sick. Look at this. You guys know like Dragon Ball. This thing is hecka cool.
Record everything you do?
For the most part at the flea market, yeah. I hadn't been trying to picking videos and stuff.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I just started my YouTube channel off, so it's a bit slow, but
Yeah.
might as well, right? I already do it. I would have probably done it without like recording it anyways.
Yeah. How you get money?
YouTube will pay you after like a certain amount.
Once you get a certain amount of subscribers.
I actually they just monetized me, so hopefully I start making money. It's like 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers until I'll start paying you. How much for this?
$3.
All right, you guys have a good day. This thing is sick. I paid $9 for it though. I'll take it. I mean, it's a little dirty, but you know, I'll take it. It's not too bad. I'll put it on my wall. So we have. How much on these lights?
$5.
All right. As you guys know, we also have those Christmas lights. I don't really want to sit there and ask for like each one. I feel kind of awkward, so I slowly just keep asking, you know, different prices for his lights comparing to ours, you know. I think You might be asking cheaper than we're asking. Tell my dad about that one.
What up, dog?
Dude, how much on the Funko Pops?
$30
All right, that's Super Sailor Moon Funko Pop. Sells for like, honestly, I guess this one sold for 60. Sells for 45 or 30 bucks. So you guys asking for like full price pretty much. And a bunch of cars. You know, sometimes it's actually pretty good to buy them like in bulk. You can like what for what not especially. You know, maybe people will buy these in bulk. How much you asked on the game, Chase?
They're 70 bucks.
That's not bad, huh? He got different colors, right?
Yeah.
Want to sit on it?
All right, those vintage board games. I'm walking back around. I'll go. Like, I don't like looking it up sometimes. I'm sitting in front of them, kind of weird. So I like to look it up as I'm walking away. And I'll just come back and see if I can get it, you know. And as I was walking away, I pretty much looked those two board games up and they sold for, one of them was kind of dirty, so I don't think I can actually sell it for the price that I looked it up for. I think I could sell for like maybe $10 or $15 cheaper because it was pretty beat up, the box and stuff. But it was sold for about like some of them said 60 bucks for one of them, and this one says about 20 or 30 bucks. Like a 30 bucks, 25, 40. Those are like new, so I don't think those ones are new. I could have. He's probably asked a decent amount on those anyways, though. Just thought I'd let you guys know. These don't seem like they have the cords though.
That's what I paid for.
Alright.
Now it's at $140. It's a good price.
Yeah, it's a pretty good pair of shoes.
Yeah, brand new, man.
I don't think they're my size.
Yeah, I know. That's for my son, but he grew out of it. Never
Yeah.
got a chance to wear them. So.
Oh really? Yeah, they look pretty untouched. They look nice. Alright, you have a good day.
Alright.
Nice pair of shoes. Pretty small though. Yeah, bunch of games. I know sealed games could be pretty good too. I don't think any of them are sealed though, so I don't really look too much into them. But I guess sealed games could be of value if people aren't really selling them for too much. See if we can find something to flip today. Like, come on. We got nothing to flip yet today. It's fine. You know, if this is the only upside down, if this is the only thing we get today, it's the only thing we get today. I'm fine with it. I like this purchase. All right. This was like 25 or 20 bucks. I'll get this definitely. Yeah. Like these. Thank you.
Gracias.
Look, $1 a piece. Like, you guys look for yourselves. Like, I'll show you guys how much I can get. Look, $1 each. Like, come on, you guys can't. This guy's making a good deal. Look, all these backpacks, even and stuff. Like, look, I know backpacks are actually kind of expensive right now. We're back. I'm back at our stall. We'll take it. $1 each on those little toys. You guys can probably see a pretty decent trend in my channel. I seem to find a lot of like. I seem like Guitar Hero guitars, like tennis rackets, a lot of just different like random, but it seems like toys. Like I just bought like a Wii board, and I bought a whatchamacallit, what is that? It's like a Tony Hawk board, like all these like different like maybe like toy console things. They sell for $1 each, and I'll always just take it. Why not $1? I'll even have paid $3 or $5. Let's say I'll pay $5 if I can sell it for like 25. That's 5 times my money. I'll do that any day, but $1 each, what is that, 20 or 25 times my money? That's like crazy if you really think about it.
But I have these in multicolor right there.
How much?
$8 each. Only red color. Those ones are multicolor.
How much are you asking on these ones, Dad?
$8 each.
They're asking 5, by the way.
Good.
The other people. Also, there's a third person, I think.
Where?
It was, I don't know, actually, because he only had a couple lights, so, and it was right next to the truck, but it was definitely a whole nother car. I think he might have bought a couple off the guy or something. You'd have to see for yourself, though.
$8 each.
I don't think he got his own unit, but he definitely had some of his own.
He's doing the lights for $5, eh?
All right, got some more food for my dad. You guys don't know this guy will like drink mustard. They had to get him some fries and mustard. They got him 3 containers. He'll probably still complain, like, watch, I'll bring this back. And he'll still complain. You're like, ah, that's not enough mustard. Let's see, what can I get from Storage Stalker for $1? This guy spots their stuff for $1. Let's see if I can. He just bought some wires, like, what the heck? Oh, really? Everything's $1?
Everything $1.
That's crazy.
That isn't it? Isn't it? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your business.
Money, money, money.
What are you doing over here? What is the pirate getting? Let's study what he's doing over here.
Money, money, money.
You stay away. I just bought this for $1.
You just bought it for
I
$1?
don't know what it is.
He doesn't even know. He's just wasting money out here. I bet you pay $1 for this to sell it. It's a bit dirty. All right, thank you guys for watching. I guess I forgot to make an outro. I'm editing the video right now. I didn't see that, but thank you for watching. Make sure to put a thumbs up. Let's see a different emoji. No way. Put a pirate flag in the chat. Put a pirate flag in the comments if you watch this far. And make sure to subscribe if you like. You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Maybe share the video. And I'll see you next time.